Alright, today I am going to take you through this website where you can play games and earn up to 622 US dollars. So, as you can see on this platform, this one is just asking you to download it and then you earn an amount of money. And you check this one, you can see that you earn up to $622, and there are plenty of them where you can earn a lot. Let's scroll down. You can see that this one is giving you $171. This one is giving you $13, and then this one is giving you 0.5 cents. And mind you, it's not only playing games, you can partake in service. Okay, this one is giving you $5, this one is giving you $5.4. So what you have to do is to check the link in the description section if you are interested in making money with this platform. Just check the link, and then when you come here, what you have to do is click on the offer. Okay, so when you click on the offer, then they will give you the instructions here. You read the instructions. So the first part is you install, you don't get anything. You play to level 5, you get 0.5 cents. Level 10, you get 10 cents. Level 15, you get 24 cents. Then level 20, you get 34 cents. Then level 40, you get 2.4 dollars. Okay, so that's how it runs. So when you click on it like this, it will redirect you to Play Store to download it. So just wait and see if it will redirect me to my Play Store. So watch it out how it is. So it redirects me to my Play Store. Then you have to click on download. Okay, so you have to click on download and you wait for it to download. So let's wait for everything to finish downloading. Okay, so now that it has finished downloading, what you have to do is to either click on play. Okay, so let's click on play. We have already read what was there, so wait for it to open. Okay, so this is how the interface of the game look like. So you finish, wait for everything to finish downloading correctly. So this is the game. Okay, this is the game, and they are asking us to watch. So since we don't know anything about it yet, let's go back to the platform. So then after downloading, just come back to the platform. They already have a tracker. That track is whether it downloaded or not. Okay, so with this, you can now go to the offers to check the offers that you have downloaded. Okay, you can now check it. So this is your offers, the offers that is now running. You can see this one, so you can all find it here. So you can see that it has been shown here, the running offers, your offers. Okay, so this one does it. So we can now start playing this game. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You can go to more details, see more about this one. Then if you want to download another one, just go back. Okay, then you search for another one that you want, then you download. All right, so this is another offer. They are giving us more offers, and this website too, you can also take part in service. So if service available to you, it will be shown. So there's another one here where you can just download it. Okay, play the game and build Florida crab. This is very simple. Just download it and play this game. So this is how this website look like. This is how you can play the games. The link is in the description section. If you want to join, just follow and join this website. Thank you.